Welcome to the ice box of the nation, International Falls, Minnesota. With temperatures at or below freezing for almost 200 days a year, it's the coldest city in the lower 48 states. But here at Crown Royal Stoves, we know how to heat. As a family-owned business, we're dedicated to providing our customers with quality American-made products. Our industry-leading outdoor furnaces are trusted across the nation. And it all starts with this: flat sheets of domestically sourced 409 titanium-enhanced stainless steel. These sheets are loaded onto our expertly calibrated laser and plasma cutters, operated by seasoned craftsmen, ensuring only the highest quality components go into your Crown Royal stove. Meanwhile, our automated bandsaws precisely cut piping to the required lengths. Utilizing cutting-edge technology, our robotic welders with seam tracking and touch sensing technology ensure precision and accuracy. Our metal fabrication process includes cutting, forming, rolling, and welding to exact drawing specifications. To ensure every Crown Royal stove never fails you in the winter, every water jacket and firebox undergoes rigorous air testing, holding consistent pressure for 36 hours to ensure no leaks. On the stove's exterior, our eco-friendly powder coating system ensures durability and consistency. Parts are then baked and cured in our oven, resulting in a tough, weather-resistant finish. In final assembly, we add insulation, wiring, doors, exterior finishes, and other components. Each unit undergoes continuous quality inspections. After a final quality assurance review, the stoves are moved to our stove lot and ready for your family to enjoy endless hot water and comfortable, even heat throughout your home by the most trusted outdoor boiler. Crown Royal Stoves, the most trusted outdoor boilers.